How to join the Anime Fighting Simulator Discord server. This tutorial shows you how to find and join the official Discord server on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. After that, search for Anime Fighting Simulator Discord server in the search bar. From there, look for the official invite link from a trusted source, such as the game's official Roblox page or social media accounts. At this point, tap on the invite link to open it. In the next step, if you have Discord installed, the link will automatically redirect you to the app. If the link says it's invalid, open Discord in your browser with discord.com/app. Then make sure to log into your account. And after that, go to discord.com/guild/discovery. This will take you to a page where you can find Discord communities. From here, tap the search bar at the top and search for Anime Fighting Simulator and hit search. Tap the first result. Following this, tap on Accept Invite to join the server. Once done, you'll be taken directly into the Anime Fighting Simulator Discord server. Finally, make sure to read through the rules channel first before participating in any of the server's channels. And that's it. If this guide helped you join the Anime Fighting Simulator Discord server, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.